What's up, guys? Hope you are doing good and keeping yourself safe. Many people love the long tour on motorcycle, but if you miss out on some important points, you might face some inconvenience. We all know the usual things such as wearing a full protective gear, service the bike before ride, check tire conditions, etc. But apart from all these, I learned many things from my first long motorcycle tour with a pillion. So, I would like to share with you some important points adapting which you will have a soothing ride, a memorable trip without undesirable surprises. So, let's begin. 1. Make a plan. Make a structure or outline of your plan and route and write it down somewhere on a piece of paper. Trust me, it helps a lot in deciding the dates and managing various things, including keeping buffers. 2. Download offline maps. When you have a tentative plan ready with you, you can download the offline maps in Google Maps, which will surely help you when you are lost on a lonely place and want your way back to hotel, even without the network or internet in your phone. 3. Very important. Stay hydrated. Be it any season, staying hydrated while riding is very important to stay focused as well as enjoy the ride. Many riders carry hydration packs which can be carried easily on your back, which helps to get some sips on the go. You can mix some energy drinks such as Enerzal or Glucon D or Tang with that water for taste and energy. In Hampi ride, while on our way to Vijapur, we missed a turn and there was a patch of road going through extreme remote area where there were no shops or restaurants for a long distances. Luckily, we had kept with us the packets of energy drinks which turned out to be a savior. 4. Carry necessary documents. Carry all necessary documents with you as you cross the state borders because the authorities might ask to check them. The list of the documents you may like to check is driving license, PUC, that is pollution certificate, RC book, valid insurance, permits to ride at specific places such as Ladakh. 5. Carry dry foods and biscuit packs. Carrying small packs of dry fruits and biscuit help in case of quick hunger. You can munch some of these beforehand if you are in search of a restaurant on the go but finding it difficult to select one. Personally, we generally carry a few 5 rupees biscuit packs and offer them to poor people or children instead of offering them money. 6. Helmet lock. This is a small thing but very useful when you want to visit some place on the way for half an hour, but carrying the helmet everywhere is painful. If you carry a good helmet lock, you can leave your helmet with motorcycle by removing the action camera, Bluetooth intercom or any other electronics on the helmet. 7. Don't carry heavy weights on the backpack. This is again another important thing. If missed, it punishes ruthlessly, especially on the bad roads. On our first day of the ride, we kept 2 laptops in the backpack and all other things inside the saddlebags. However, the mistakenly taken small patch of bad road backfired and we had the back pain whole night. So it is always advisable to carry the heavy luggage in the saddlebags or tank bag and some small things in your backpack. 8. Carry night vision spectacles in case of tinted visors. If your helmet just has a black or mirror visor, and even if you know that you would reach your destination before sunset, make sure you carry a transparent riding goggles to ride at night with your visor open, as lot of insects will hit you and will be difficult for you to see through bare eyes. I had such experience while riding from Vijapur to Badami late evening while going to Hampi. Thanks to my wife carrying night vision goggles. 9. Saddlebags with locking facility. If you are using panniers, there is no question of security. However, if you are going to use the saddlebags for carrying luggage, try to buy one which has a chain for its main pocket, so that you can lock the pockets of saddlebags with a small lock or for additional security. I did not see much of the kind of saddlebags in the market except a few. For example, Rhinox Nomad and old version of God's Triton X2. Please let me know in comments if you know any such saddlebags. 10. Powerful headlights and fog lights. It's very necessary for night riding that you should have a powerful headlights and a fog lights. I have put a review of my aftermarket headlights and fog lights as a separate video on my channel. You can find its link flashing on the top of this video. 11. Medical and personal kit. Carry a small first aid kit if you happen to crash somewhere unfortunately. Carry some usual medicines for headache, vomiting, painkillers, acidity tablets, etc. Personal kit can include anything such as this list here or any other things you find necessary. 12. Mobile holder with charging port. This is to keep the maps running with you as you go, and charging port to keep the battery of your phone up. 13. Register for roadside assistance. If your motorcycle company offers the roadside assistance, I would suggest to opt for it, because if your bike breaks down somewhere where there is no immediate help possible, you can call up the assistance number and get somebody at your location to fix it or to take your bike to the nearby garage. 14. Emergency phone number on mobile lock screen wallpaper. In case you meet with an accident and people want to help you, they could just see your phone lock screen and get a phone number that they can call up to inform the dear ones. 15. Finally, a few more points to list down here. Saddle stay with bottom support bar. Carry chain lube if possible. Carry bungee cord. And carry power bank. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. If you have additional points, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy riding, folks.